Supreme Court mandates minimum 3 years advocate practice for entry-level judicial service in a significant ruling affecting many judiciary aspirants. The Supreme Court on Tuesday, May 20 held that candidates must have a minimum period of practice as an advocate to be eligible for entry-level judicial service posts. This period of practice will be counted from the date of provisional enrollment. However, this requirement will not apply to recruitment processes already underway before today. In other words, it will only be applicable to future recruitments. A bench of the Supreme Court, comprising Chief Justice of India B.R. Gave, Justice A.G. Masi, and Justice K. Vinod Chandran, delivered its verdict in the All India Judges Association case. Previously, most states mandated a minimum of 3 years of practice for lawyers to be eligible to apply for judicial service. However, in 2002, the Supreme Court removed this requirement, allowing fresh law graduates to apply for entry-level posts such as Munsif and Magistrate. Subsequently, petitions were filed seeking the reinstatement of the minimum practice condition, with several high courts supporting the move. A certificate from an advocate with at least 10 years of standing, endorsed by the judicial officer of that station, will be sufficient to confirm the fulfillment of the requirement. For those practicing at the Supreme Court or High Court, a certificate from an advocate with a minimum of 10 years standing, endorsed by an officer designated by the court, will serve as valid proof. Also read: no schools, teachers in the future. Duolingo CEO believes AI tutors will gain momentum. Swipe left for next video. The Judicial Services Exam is a competitive examination conducted by various state public service commissions or high courts in India to recruit eligible candidates for the position of judges or judicial officers in the lower judiciary. It is typically open to law graduates. Successful candidates begin their careers as civil judges, judicial magistrates, or entry-level judicial officers, playing a crucial role in the administration of justice at the district or subordinate court level. The exam usually tests knowledge of law, legal reasoning, general knowledge, and sometimes language skills. Latest blogs.